Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. Okay, I got both my bulkheads glued on there, and my bearing block is in there. And that's what moves the elevator. Okay, there's a set screw on top that pinches a flat spot on here. I thought there was a flat spot. No, we must be going to have to put one. Or is that it? No, it goes in like this. Yeah. There's a set screw. Yeah, we must be going to have to put a flat spot in it. But, I'm ready to put these in. Now I only have Dane Greenworks was out of high salt tips. They only had 2. Okay? And they only had 2. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to get in here and sand where all these bulkheads go and everything. I want to get a lot of them set up. So once I get to gluing, I can just glue a whole bunch of them at once, and not waste a bunch of high sol, you know, that go in this tube every time, and only use one tip. Them babies is like gold. But I can use, I can make up some pastry bags if I have to. But then waste a little bit. Okay, so now what I gotta do, put my glasses on, go right to the TV. I need to drill holes in the fuselage. Holes in this fuselage for that elevator to go through. Now, I've been trying to measure and find out where to drill these holes, and I can't find nothing. So I'm just going to go for it. Hope I can get it without drilling too many holes. Let's see, I think they go up a little bit, and they're pretty close to the center line, but not quite. A little far back. That's too far down. Let me get a good shot. Good wide angle. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. How about right there? I hope that's in the right spot. Yeah, it's pretty close to that point. They're like these stepper bolts. Or drill bits, and it's just perfect. Look at that. Now, I hope that's in the right spot. It's a little bit snug. A little bit snug. I'm going to open that up just a little bit. Hang on to the next. Man, I hope that's in the right spot. You know, they've got to be pretty close, but they'll be crooked, you know. Yeah, that looks like that's good. What do you guys think? That looks close enough, doesn't it? That looks about right. Gotta get this lined up. Okay? Let's see how far we are in front of the panel. Okay, we're about F-18 freckles. Well, I know we're below this line, and we're in front of this one. So we take a guess now, guys. Don't freak out. There's little X's right there, see? Tight. I know I had a couple of you freaking out there. Just gonna start drilling holes. No, your buddy Bob wouldn't do that. That was fun. Alright guys, you know I gotta break up today a little bit. Next. We'll put these in there. Bam. Not bad for guessing, huh? They fit pretty tight. We're going to see if they're distorting the fuselage in it. We want them tight. We don't want them distorting the fuselage. So it's kind of a sand to fit scenario. Actually, I'm going to have to sand a little bit off the bottom of it. There you go, what's going in there? Bam. Man. Talk about a nice tight fit though. Well, that's what we want. So you can kind of wiggle the bulkheads now. See where they're the tightest. And if you find a really tight spot, see if it's distorting the fuselage any. It looks like I got a little bulge right here, and I'll show you. Now you guys think this might be kind of petty, but once it's stuff like this sure does show up. Okay, right there. You can see it just kind of barely distorting the fuselage a little bit. And see in there on that corner right there. I just need to take that corner down just a little bit. Only on both of them. Both sides wouldn't hurt. Okay. Because I got to take it back out of there anyway because I got to sand them. Okay, that's about where I figured I'd have to sand them. Okay, we need to come in about 2 inches from the back. Right on there. About a little crooked in there. That's alright. My stuff usually is too, so I'm used to it. Okay. That looks pretty. Oh, that's the same thing in the back. Okay. Alright. You see, I can mark on there with a pencil, but I don't think I'll be able to see it. So, you see, there's my elevator push rods. The servos actually mount right here. Bam, and it's got a carbon fiber rod that goes back to there. And looks like a pretty good setup. It's a little old school, that works good. Alright guys, I'm going to get that back out of there. I'm going to get that all sanded. Sand them 2 corners down back there on my bulkheads. And that one will be ready to glue. Then we'll move up here to these vertical stab mounts. We'll get them ready to glue. We'll come up here to our turbine landing gear mounts. We'll get them ready to glue. And then we're just going to go to town, baby. We got some slow drying stuff. I'll have to let that set.